To connect printer on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first we need to open settings. Then in settings you want to go to more connectivity options in here, and then you should be able to find the printing option. And once you open printing, then in here we have a couple of options. First we're gonna go to system printing service, make sure that it is enabled, and check if you can find your printer over here in this menu. If you can, then of course you want to select it to connect it. Besides that, if you have, let's say, a Xiaomi printer, then you can go to Xiaomi Home and you might be able to find your printer in here. If none of these two options work and you still didn't connect your printer, then you can choose Add Service over here. And you will open the Play Store with additional plugins or services that you can, of course, install on your phone, which might be necessary to be able to detect your printer. So you want to download the plugin for your printer over here. If you have like a Samsung printer, then of course you want to choose Samsung Print Service plugin over here and install it, and then you can use it to try to find your printer and connect your phone with it. And if everything else, if so far you didn't connect your printer yet and everything failed so far, then in that case the last thing that you can do is you will need to download a very specific app for your printer. And unfortunately, I cannot really tell you what kind of app you need to get for your printer, because in that case, every printer has its own app. So it's very hard to, of course, name every single one of them. But essentially, you can go to, well, you can try to find your user manual of your printer. And I'm pretty sure there is going to be the name of the app, perhaps even a QR code that you can scan to get the printer. To get the app for the printer. And most likely you can also go to the Play Store and search for that app in here, and usually these apps are free and very easy to find, so you should be able to install that app, and then hopefully you should be able to connect to your printer. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.